Ready to take a look around a very fun, small Class A RV? Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach. This is the 2025 Vegas 24.1. Yes, we are talking small as in 25 feet, 8 inches in length, so real easy to get around town. Twin to king beds, that is awesome. There's also a ton of exterior storage. We'll walk through all of that, but if you'd like to take a few minutes, I'll meet you inside and we will walk around the 24.1. Looks great in here, right? This is our charcoal matrix decor with our coastline gray cabinets. Beautiful, beautiful small motorhome with plenty of seating and sleeping. So we're gonna have 3 seat belts in the sofa here. You're going to have 2 seat belts up front, so seat belts for 5, and depending on how you want to option your 24.1, you have sleeping in the bed, sleeping here, and you can option in the over the cab bunk. Once you have that all figured out, who's sitting where, who's sleeping where, you can enjoy just living it up in here, right? So all the comfortable places you could ask for. Maybe you are here at this sofa. I like this, right? So you have wireless charging ports on each side, nice cup holders. Oh, you put a little pillow behind your back here. Oh yeah. You know what, maybe I'm just gonna kick back and watch me the smart TV. You got a smart TV up front. You also have a smart TV in the bedroom, and when you connect to the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender, you can create your own hotspot no matter where you are, stream all your favorite shows if you are the passenger, pull out the flip out dash workstation while you are on the road trip, get a little work done, send some emails, post to your favorite social media sites, whatever it is you want to do, no matter where you want, because you are your own rolling hotspot. So a couple of other nice features about this sofa. Yes, it's a sofa, it's comfortable, and you enjoy just hanging out here, right? This also makes into your bed, right? We talked about sleeping here, but this isn't a jackknife. This actually pulls out just like you see here. Very comfortable evening, and you pack it up, and with the slide out, you set up your table, and look at this. Now we're having breakfast, lunch, dinner, playing a game, doing crafts, getting work done, whatever you need to do right here. There are cup holders here. It stores away right behind the sofa here. The legs store in the closet. We will show you now. You do need to have the slide out to set this table up, and you can do that right from here. Rapid Camp Plus, real quick. You're going to use this every single day. This is how you're going to check your tank levels, turn on all your lights, turn on the water pump, adjust your climate, put out your awning, put out the slide. There are tank heaters on here as well. The over the cab bunk we talked about, if you option that in, you can control that from here. Heat, AC, everything is controlled right from here. All the lights inside and out. Check your batteries, check the level in your propane tank, dial in your auto gen start 4,000 watt gas generator on board. You can also check the 100 watts of solar on board your 24.1, and then finally you can control your fans in here as well, your vent fans, and you can connect to the app and control everything in your 24.1 inside or out. And while we're over here, let's flip up the countertop extension in the 24.1, right? So now we have quite a bit of room in this campsite kitchen. Use this to set up the cutting board. If you need more room, you have a cover for the sink, and you take it off and you set it out of the way as you're doing dishes, and then you got everything washed up and you store it right up top here. So use these however you need. Maybe it's dishes, maybe it's a pantry, whatever you want to put in there, make it work for you. Pop up over here with 110, USB-A, USB-C, and when this is in the down position, wireless charging. Very cool, right? 2-burner gas cooktop, convection microwave, lots of storage down below here, cabinets, drawers, beautiful setup in here. It's everything you need inside. I'm right underneath the 15,000 BTU AC. What's really nice is it is vented, so if you close what I like to call the massive air dump, you just close those, and then you have ceiling vents all the way from front to back, so you're always going to be comfortable when you fire up the AC. As we work our way back, 12-volt fridge, This is a great feature. It cools down super fast. Make sure your battery disconnect switch is on. You also have auto gen start for that 4,000 watt gas generator, so everything will always stay nice and cool. Let's head into the bathroom here. Nice midship bath, everything you need inside. Nice hook for the towel, porcelain foot flush toilet. You have your corner shower, that is on a wand, your sink, medicine cabinet, a couple of other cabinets for you to store things in, a skylight. You have a vent fan back here. Another feature that's great about this bathroom is this full-size mirror on this door, right? So you fold open the doors and now you have this entire room and access to your closet. So in here, hang your shirts. This is where you're going to find the legs for the tables, the tabletop for the pedestal table we'll talk about when we head up front to take you through the dash. Hang your clothes back here, the ladder for the over-the-cab bunk, store whatever you need in here, a couple of drawers down beneath, and then even your fuse box, which is always accessible in case you would need to troubleshoot anything. You can get that without having to put out the slide. As we work back, here we go. This is one of the best features of the 24-1. Love this. I like that, you know, you can use this in the twin configuration like we have now. You can put this cushion in place and use it for a wall-to-wall bed. But what's really nice is you don't have any slides back here. So if you're just pulling over for the night and you need to catch some sleep, or maybe it's been a long road trip and you want a nice afternoon nap, here you go. You don't have to put out a slide for that. Plus it is fully featured back here. You have a smart TV. You have the controls for your tankless hot water back here. This is really cool, right? So underneath here, so you have, you know, little nets here. You can put your phone in there to charge that up. 110s here, USB-A's, another little net for your phone. You have push button lights, so, you know, maybe somebody over there is reading or whatnot. Have at it, right? More cabinets up above. You have roller blinds as well, and a lot of windows back here. So you're gonna have windows all the way around, awning style windows throughout your 24-1. So simply turn the dial and open the window on each side and that breeze will flow right on through. And the nice thing is if it's raining, because they open awning style, it's not gonna rain in the window. You'll get the nice sounds of the pitter patter of rain and that really nice breeze. There's also a privacy door here. You can pull that. It's like your own separate quarters. So, you know, maybe mom and dad back here and, you know, the kids are up front doing their thing. It's a great way to travel. One of the nice things about this 24-1 is the size. Again, it's just over 25 feet long. It's really easy to drive. So we will head up front and take you through the dash. So this may be like a little added bonus seating, but I really like that the passenger and the driver chair swivel like we are now. You have a pedestal table that sets up right here. So this is a great place for morning coffee. Maybe use it as a little makeshift office or a craft table for the kids, whatever it is. Awesome to have that. And again, that stores in that closet we just saw. Well, I'm up here. Let's take a quick spin through the dash. Everything you need to know is right here. This is a Ford E350 chassis. You have that 7.3 liter V8 under the hood. 325 horsepower, 450 pound-feet of torque, 6-speed transmission. Quick spin through everything here. Heated remote mirrors. Of course, you need a place for your beverage. You got it. Auto headlights. You have fog lights, emergency start up here as well. Buttons on the steering wheel. Tons of them, right? So the thumb pad over here is going to go through trip meters, maintenance reminders, all of that type of business. You need to keep an eye on your 24-1. Cruise control is down below. Over here, the thumb pad on your right. A camera button, which I totally love because you can take and pull up either the backup camera or the side view cameras at any point during your trip just by hitting that button. Volume controls, Bluetooth, and you can adjust your source. Lots of sources on here. You need sources, right? We have all of the options. Sirius XM satellite radio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Pull up your camera from here as well. Bluetooth phone, Bluetooth audio. You can dial in some settings as well. Great little system, sounds great. Rock out while you are on your road trip. Hard buttons down below. traction control right here. You also have hill start assist, and this does have independent front suspension, so you get a pretty nice ride out of this. Your night shade, that controls your night shade on a bright sunny day. Put it down, use it as a visor. Start your generator from here. Turn on your cabin lights. Couple of ports, 12 volts here to plug whatever you need in. HVAC, place to set your phone. This is how you're going to take and wire in your device for Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. And over here, again, we talked about the flip out dash workstation. So fully featured inside and lots of great things to show you outside, including all of that great storage. So before we start opening bays and putting out awnings and setting up grills, I want to talk about the way this looks. There are 2 colors of HD Max, including this one. This is called White Lightning. You also have 2 partial paints. You get the blacked out wheels. Those look really, really cool if that's more your style. Storage is everyone's style, right? Because you want to take everything with you. You got a lot of storage on this 24-1. All the bays are going to be a nice, durable rotocast material. It's not going to mold, it's not going to mildew. You're not going to get that nasty bay stink. They have a light inside, they have a drain, so wherever you are, today it's fall camping and there's mud everywhere. Maybe we're going to throw our muddy shoes in here. Well, when you get back, you just rinse everything out. There's a drain plug in here, and then you can put your drain, everything goes right down there, rinses out clean, it dries, and you are good to go on your next adventure. Over to another large bay. This is where we fit those camping chairs. It is perfectly sized, so your longer items can go in there. You have a couple of 110 outlets, so you need to be plugged into shore power. We'll show you how to hook that up when we go over to the business end, or have that 4,000 watt gas generator on. Couple of things over here you want to be aware of. This is the exhaust for your tankless hot water, and this is the exhaust for your furnace. Down here, exterior propane connection. Oh, look at that. Over to the grill, maybe hook up a griddle, have a barbecue, or you know what? Maybe a late night fire pit. You ever seen those? Those portable fire pits that plug right in? Those are pretty awesome. A lot of bright sun in your eyes? That's not so awesome. That's why you have an armless awning. From Rapid Camp Plus inside or with the remote, press a button, that awning will come right out and create a nice shady spot at your campsite. It's awesome. There's also built-in LED lights, so that makes for a nice night light if you are boondocking and you are away, maybe going on a night hike. It's nice because it's going to light up your campsite. Fresh water fill is here. And when you get back from that night hike, maybe you stepped in a puddle you didn't see because someone forgot the flashlight. It's all right. You can just plug in the exterior hose ports, a little shower, spray your feet right off. You're good to go. And we just showed you where to throw those muddy boots. Maybe you're going to take and throw everybody's shoes in this bay. Lots of storage in here. What's great, this is pass-through. So you can open this from this side. You can open it from the back here, right? You can also open it from your business end. So lots of ways to fill this up. And while we're back here, a couple of things I want to point out, including a nice steel bumper. Ladder going to lead up to your one-piece cross-flex roof. That is a durable synthetic thermoplastic, easy to clean, easy to maintain, puncture resistant. Nice window back here, and your 8,000-pound hitch. So maybe you want to bring some e-bikes with you, maybe you have a small tow vehicle. Do the math though before you tow and go. Some more storage bays on the other side. We're going to get everything hooked up, including our plumbing. We have everything open, everything connected. We just want to give you a real quick view of the business end of your 24-1. Here is the business side opening for that massive, massive storage bay. 4,000 watt gas generators right there. Fuel fill, tank flush, 30 amp coach, 30 amps of juice on your 24-1. City water is here, exterior shower with both hot and cold. Again, you have tankless hot water in here, so if you are rinsing off outside and it's chilly, it's a chilly fall day like today, you have nice hot water. In here, this is going to be your fresh water tank, so if you need to do maintenance or you need to drain it to winterize, that's right in here. Black and gray tank, right in here. This hooks up, hook up the potty python, run it over to the drain, pull your termination handles, you're good to go. Propane fill is right here. Again, you need your propane on for the exterior propane connection for hot water and for heat in your Vegas. and another large rotocast storage bay right up front. And that takes us right back to the front of the awesome, small Vegas 24.1. It's a great way to travel with your entire family, see the world, have some fun, and why not build your own together and get that MSRP at thormotorcoach.com.